Storm's coming! Massive lightning strike and a fucking thunderclap. Bit of Vakadaka. Let's see if we get another. Hope I don't get so scared I drop my phone. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Woohoo! Let's go. Or as the young kids like to say, let's out! Yeah. Come on, you got some more. Oh, here comes the rain. Bam! Let it clap. As a kid growing up in New Delhi, India, if you didn't know, they used to have this kind of like called a nala, which is like a stormwater, I guess, or a canal, and they used to fill up, and I used to see cows floating down. Yeah, that's where I grew up. So, you know, Sydney's great. It's been great, but I won't miss it for a little bit. I might miss, you know, Sonny's chips, the good meat pie, and I don't know what else. Oh, taxes. I missed the very slight taxes. Look at this rain, chubby rain. How good does that look? Not bad, good size. Can we get some more lightning, please? I'm just going to lean it here. If I drop the phone, this was my last. Oh yeah! That rain looks mad. I don't know if you can see it as well as I can, but it's fucking beautiful. Rain. I think we're in the eye of the storm now. Don't worry. There we go. Oh. Yeah, we're very close. That was about 2 seconds in between intervals, between the lightning and the thunder. And I think that movie Twister taught me that one. We're going in the eye of the storm. Some shit like that. I think they made a remake. Never watched it. Did anyone else see that? Who was in the first one? Was it Dennis Quaid? I can't remember. Just panning, just panning. This is what it looks like panning. I'm panning, I'm panning. Everybody likes to pan. You like to pan like this? I love a good pan. Oh, that was nice. Woo. The skies were angry. Oh, you can't even see much now. I think it's maybe I'll go on the other balcony. Walk with me. Oh shit! Nothing happened. Alright, let's go have a look. Let's go outside. Oh, it's a little bit wet out here. It's very wet out here. Wait, jeez. At least my balcony's getting it clean. I'm gonna just jam the phone like this. Will that work? No. Ah, sorry. Oh, a little bit more lightning. Let's go, more thunder. One more Oklahoma City thunder. Let's get another OKC. Let's get a little Josh giddy. Let's get giddy with it. Come on. One more. Just one mad big one. I think OKC are doing okay this season. That's Shai Gillis boy. If he's still playing for them, I believe he is. He's doing some great things. And I'm just gonna watch this storm and I'll leave you to do whatever the fuck you guys are doing. Peace out now. Now. How about now? Alright.